baby. What's up? All right, now that the car is clean, it took me a little bit longer. I had to wash her car. It was looking pretty dirty too. So I got something that I had been wanting to get for this car for years. Me being undecided, me thinking that I wasn't gonna do anything. I had a 1993 Civic many years ago, which I really loved, and I don't think I had a short shifter on that. I don't think I've ever had a short shifter on like a 4-cylinder car. Now I'm gonna give it a shot and see if it's even worth it. That short shifter that you guys saw in the beginning of the video is like $35. It's super cheap and super easy to install. I think it's like 2 bolts, one on the shift linkage, one that bolts onto the car, and that's pretty much it. Let's go and drive the car without the short shifter, and then we're gonna go try it out after with the short shifter and see if it even makes any difference whatsoever. I mean, for 35 bucks, it's worth a shot. The shifts are not too bad, like on the stock shifter. They're not like, you know, to say long. See, it's not terrible. So we're gonna do some regular driving, then we're gonna do some quick shifts and see if there's any room for improvement. It's just that this car still has that really low front lip, so I gotta be careful on how I drive. See, like whenever I see little dips like that, I'm almost positive that the front lip's gonna hit. Oh, we got lucky there. I mean, one thing I will say is that the stock shifter is very smooth. We'll see what this new shifter does. You know, this is the awkward part of making these POV videos, when you're sitting at a red light and everyone's staring at you with this camera hanging off your head. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Ooh, look at that. Not in this car though, not in this car. You know, whenever I'm driving this car is whenever I run into the most cars that I would like to race. And whenever I'm driving like the Supra or the Mustang, I don't run into anything. It's weird. It's almost like they only come out whenever they know they can beat me. So we might have to make this one a lot faster so that way they can stop coming out in general. Well, I'm just kidding though, man. But it really does happen though. Whenever I'm driving the Mustang or the Supra, hardly anyone ever pulls up next to me. But when I'm driving this car, the whole world tries to race me. I don't know why. Just gotta make sure the road is clear, and then I'll do it. Alright, drop it down into first gear. clutch didn't like that. Something happened. It smells really bad. Oh shit. Ah, damn it. And the clutch feels really, really weird. It's like vibrating. So time to go home. Actually, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull here into the park just in case. I might have to check this out. This doesn't feel too good. Oh man, the cost of making YouTube videos. This is the part that nobody talks about. Alright, it's not knocking, so that's good. But I do hear some sort of metal. I hear like a metal rattling sound, which is weird. Yeah, I haven't heard that before. Let's see if we can make it home. This sucks. Oh man. Yeah, my pedal's like vibrating really bad. All right, let's just see if we can. Whoop, that didn't work. All right, guys. So this, whoa, the clutch is like super sensitive. It's fully engaging all the way from the bottom. Ah, damn it. Alright, so I'll probably go home and try and bleed it and see what happens. This isn't bueno. Oh man, hey, still driving. It's really hard to get it into gear though. Short shifter video into I blew something up on my car again. Story of my life. At least it wasn't the Supra or the Mustang, because those are super expensive to fix. This one thankfully is not that expensive. The transmission's probably like a couple $100, so that clutch is probably maybe $600, so it's not too bad. I mean, not compared to the thousands of dollars that I have to spend on the other cars. So for now, let's just hope I make it home. It might be time to get a LSD for this thing. When you break something, make it better. Alright, so I made it home, but damn, it's pretty bad, man. Y'all check this out. Look how hard my clutch is, all the way to the bottom. Look how hard it is to get into gear. What? Now it looked like it overheated. What the hell? Yeah, the fans are on. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Like metal rattling. Ay, 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 ay. What am I doing? Yeah. That didn't go as planned. One bit. Time for me to get busy again. Now I have two cars with transmission or clutch problems, whichever they might be. Yeah. Now let's see if we can limp this baby back into my backyard. Man, I'm always breaking shit. I blew up the motor in the Supra. Broke this one. My wife's Supra. I didn't break that one. That one's just bad. Damn. Thankfully the motor's still really good, nice and healthy. But damn, can y'all hear that? Like I barely touched the clutch and it starts. Damn. Whoa. Do y'all hear that? There's something's broken, I think. Or unless Y'all hear that? Damn, that sounded bad. Yeah, you know what? I'm not even gonna try to reverse it. I'm just gonna drive it in and that's it. Whoa! Y'all heard that, right? It sounds like the motor's about to fall out of it. Yeah, it's like engaging and disengaging like really hard. So hopefully it's just the clutch master cylinder. Hopefully. That's gonna be for another day because I don't feel like doing that right now. Roll up windows. What do you kids know about that? Alright, so I guess we'll just leave the short shifter in there. We'll finish it off another day. Oh, I guess I should take my keys with me. Alright, I guess that's gonna be it. So I'll leave you with this. Think really, really hard before you consider being a YouTuber.